My name is Alfredo, and I'm in the interior design program. I choose MATC because it's a program that adjusted to what I wanted to learn. I took first architecture in MATC, and then I learned that I needed something more in MATC. There is a bunch of possibilities. Design is solving problems more than making things look nice. It's helping people. For me, the most impressive part of the program is working outside of the class. NBF is an excellent resource for us. I could actually see the pieces. It is really encouraging to work with professionals. Attending MATC is worth it. It's a good investment for your future and your professional education. If you're interested in design, you have to be passionate, not just interested. It's challenging, but it's really rewarding.